The teacher is really happy with the program you have created so far, but now they want to have an easy way to check if a student has a passing grade, and a passing grade is anything that is not an F. Complete the function has passing grade that takes a student's score as a parameter. Your function should return true if the student has a passing grade and false if they do not. And it says here, use the getGrade function to get the student's grade, then check if the grade is passing or not. Okay, so let's gather what we know. We know that we already have a getGrade function here that takes a parameter score, which is the number, which compares to the ranges of grades. That would mean any score that ranges from 60 to 69, that would be a grade D. Any score that ranges from 70 to 79, that would correspond to a grade C, and so on and so forth. And anything lower would be F. And we have to make a function to distinguish if the student has passed or not. Therefore, we have to leverage or use this existing code to another code. So since this itself has its own what was I about to say? So the idea is to use this getGrade function to a function has passing grade, which also takes score as the parameter. So what we will do here is that we would create another if condition here. If, and then inside the condition is we invoke or call the function getGrade here. We will call this one to another function. So getGrade that has a parameter score, and we will compare it if it is an F. So if it's an F, as the instruction says, that would mean the student has failed. That would return if the student has passing grade, and that would return false. Otherwise, that would be true, indicating that the student has passed the grade or has a passing grade.